Hello, good afternoon. This is Nas from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone's doing okay and in high spirits. Today, the date is August 8th, 2024, and the topic of discussion is what is acceleration in physics. Okay. Now, everybody knows what acceleration is. You get in your car, you put your foot on the gas, and you give it a gas, and your car accelerates. All right. So that's fine. Everybody knows that. Now, my question to you is, let me ask you this. You know the unit of distance is meters. Okay. If I say, if I ask you what is the unit of velocity, you will say, yeah, it's how much distance you travel per time, so meters per second. Okay. Let me ask you what is the unit of acceleration? That is my question to you. And that is what I'm going to try to explain you, and we're going to discuss what is the unit of acceleration. All right. So let's go ahead and dive in. Okay. So unit of distance is meters. Okay. Or you can, this is basically meters or feet or miles, but talking about distance in meters, then velocity is meters per second. How much distance have you covered per second? That's your velocity. Now the question is, what's the unit of acceleration? And that is where a lot of students get confused when they know when they see what the unit of acceleration is. Uh, they ask a lot of questions and get confused. It is basically meters per second per second. Okay. If you do the algebra, you can make this as meters per second square. Now that is a little bit odd because you know we've seen unit of distance meters, unit of velocity meters per second. What the heck is this? Meters per second square. I'm going to try to explain you that. Why do we have meters per second square as a unit of acceleration? So let's say you have a vehicle, you have a car, you're going from point A to point B, okay? And you're going basically, let's say you have this vehicle right here. Uh, all right, let me just make this a little better, okay? And you're going in this direction. You're going in basically, let's say 10 um, meters per second. Let me make my car a little pretty. I don't know if this symbolizes a car. So let's say you have something like this. Okay, that's better. All right. You have this vehicle which is going 10 meters per second towards the point B. So what is the velocity? Velocity I can safely write and say it's 10 meters per second. Fine. All right. Now let me ask you this. When I say acceleration, what do I mean by that? You're going 10 meters per second and then you give more gas. You go 11 meter per second, 12 meter per second, 15 meter per second, 20 meter per second, 30 meter per second. So you're accelerating, right? You're accelerating every second. So your velocity is being increased every second. That is exactly what it is. Your 10 meter second, your velocity is increasing every second. That is acceleration. So that is where this second square comes in. Second, second comes in. Second, second unit comes in, and then acceleration is 10 meters per second square. Hope I was able to explain you. So basically, velocity is unit of speed. You're going at speed, and then you're increasing your velocity per second. That's acceleration. So that is where your second s second square comes in. This right here, this part right here, 10 meter per second, that's your velocity. Okay. And this second, let me make this. second. That's the unit of time. This second comes in increase in acceleration per second. So let that sink in. Okay, think about it. Let that sink in, and once you grasp the concept of it, this will be very easy for you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. All I ask you is to share this knowledge as much as you can. And if you feel that you need to give me a like, please go ahead and do so. Thank you. Take care of yourself.